How would you grade the city's response to this event?
I'm not thinking about a grade right now. I'm thinking about getting people out of their cars. What I know is that if you compare this to 2011, we were not activated until the third day of the winter event. So in 2011, the first day was like a play day. The second day was what's going on, and the third day, members of the community were rightfully frustrated, and we mobilized. We were mobilizing for the first minute here. What we're doing now is we've got to get people out of their cars and get our interstates cleared up. And from the very first moment, in fact, on your station, I said that I thought that the error, and we have shared responsibility for the error, was everybody letting out at once, which caused a massive traffic jam. So private sector businesses, the government, and the school system all let out at once. And so during the day, we have 1 million to 1.2 million in the city, and all of those people were out in very bad weather. So it hampered our ability to get our equipment on the ground and to prepare the roads for that. If there were one major lesson learned in the middle of this challenge, that would be that we need to stagger closings for private sector companies, for government, and for the school system. So if I had my druthers, I would have the school be released first or closed first, let parents get their children and get them home safely, and then have the private sector businesses go home, and then have government go home last.
You mentioned that all of the APS students are safe.
Yes.